Career lesson number 6, build your internal and external network. Ang galing mo sa trabaho, pero ang tanong, sino nakakakilala sa'yo? Dalawa yung klase ng network na kailangan mong i-build, internal and external. Sa loob ng kumpanya, kailangan maalala ka ng mga tao, hindi lang sa department mo, kundi sa ibang teams din. Why? Because that's where opportunities come from. Projects, promotion, leadership roles, di ba? Pero sa labas ng kumpanya, importante rin kasi you need to connect with people in your industry, attend events, no, seminars, webinars, share your work online. Bakit? Kasi doon nabubuo naman yung iyong personal brand. Sobrang daming tao ang nakasecure ng senior leadership role simply because they have a good internal and external reputation. Your external network can open doors for you. Kung kaya mo magsalita, no? Be part of professional conversations. Susunod doon, mga job offers na, even mentorship, di ba? So the lesson is simple. Don't just keep your head down and work. Let the right people see you internally for growth, externally for brand. Build both kasi your name will carry your weight if people know you, if they know you better.